folks, it's time to unwind with some brews that'll blow your mind. From cider sweet to spirits bold, in the heart of New Brunswick will unfold. Welcome to Beer Show and Beat, where every pint's a symphony. Traveling far, tasting near, with friends and brews, there's nothing to fear. From cozy buds to the open road, we're on a quest to crack the code of every flavor, every blend. With laughter and stories we'll transcend. Welcome to Beer Show and Beat, where every pint's a symphony. Traveling far, tasting near, with friends and brews, there's nothing to fear.
Hi, how are you? I'm good. Tonight we're doing a beer from, well, actually, it is a collaboration beer. These are the best. Like, every brewery has a good beer, but these ones are the ones I like to do because it's a collaboration beer. This is collaboration between 3 breweries. J'aime faire ces genres de bières ici. J'aime toutes les bières de toutes les brasseries. Don't get me wrong. Mais c'est ces bières ici que j'aime faire plus parce que c'est des bières de collaboration. Et ici, c'est une collaboration de 3 brasseries. And the 3 breweries that are collaborating on this one is Foghorn, Big Spruce, and Lone Oak. So you got Foghorn, Brunswick, Big Spruce, I think that was Nova Scotia, and Lone Oak, PEI. 3, I would say this is a maritime beer. Legit a maritime beer. So, as I said, Foghorn, Big Spruce, and Lone Oak. I saw this one on Facebook like 2 days ago and said, oh, it's going to be ANBL. None of Bathurst. Just check. It's 48. Sweet. So I got cans from Foghorn. I want fries with that. Want fries with that? This is a YFC Burger Battle Hazy IPA. So I would say right now, Fredericton, they're having, well, it probably passed by the time it comes out, Burger Battle, Burger Festival for a month. Again, the cats. So this is a Battle Hazy IPA 6.5. It's a hazy IPA. I like hazy IPAs. I lost that. Rub my nose. Foghorn. I don't have a Big Spruce or Lone Oak glass, but I do have a Foghorn. So, screenshot in 3, 2. As I said on the previous episode, you guys are going to see this mic more. So any episode you see with this mic in front of me is after February 4th. Because this mic we're going to use for Beer Talk and Me when we start filming. So yeah, hazy IPA. Ah, it smells good. Let's see. You're finally here. Let's do it in the movie voice. Want fries with that? You're finally here, and it's finally happening. The burger you've been hankering for. The burger you've read about, dreamed about, talked to all your friends, co-workers, and a nice guy at the grocery store about is mere minutes from getting to your mouth. Well, in this electrifying moment of joy, you don't want any old suds, do ya? Oh, wait, let me. You don't want any old can of suds, do ya? Not a chance. We give you. Want fries with that? Because yes, you do. A deeply aromatic hazy IP brimming with the iconic Galaxy and brand new HBC 1019 hop, gifting gifting you gifting you with a veritable cornucopia of tropical fruits. They will both lift this burger experience to the stars and steal the show all in one. Hmm. I don't have a burger in front of me, so I can't do that. We're March 8th. We're going to be in Fredericton. Might have a burger there. Ooh, smooth, tasty. Mmm. I would say this is a nice collaboration. Yep, this is a good collaboration. Just like when there was a dessert stout that was, I think it was at Spic, Boisseau Petit Grand Falls, and Novemboreas. They made a dessert stout. That was fucking delicious. Even Novemboreas and Sanfar made, I think it was another one too. The can with Captain Planet on it. See, that's why I like collaboration. And when they collaborate, you got gold. Gold. Oh man, that is very juicy and tasty. I think I did a quick screenshot. Yeah, 6 minutes. 6 minutes 45 seconds. Yes, I did. And if you go to Quispamsis, stop by Foghorn. Good beer. Say bye to say hi, not bye. Say bye when you leave, but say hi to Etsy. He's the brewer. Want fries with that? What we'll do, we'll try to do March 8th when we go. We'll try to do an episode if they have some beer available at some restaurants or whatever that they have it. We'll try to have a burger and have that beer too. But man, this is freaking tasty. It has the right juiciness to it. The right for me, for me, the right juiciness, the right taste of hops, barley. The oats are in there too. Wheat, wheat. There's wheats. Yeah, I gotta know. So I know what Galaxy Hop tastes like, but I think there's a weird taste, not a bad taste, just weird. It's like I'm not used to it. The HBC 1019. I would have to taste that by itself because I know what Galaxy hops, Citra, and all that. But I think it's the HBC 1019 HBC. So yeah, si vous aimez des hazy IPA, so c'est de peu parfait. Let me switch back to English. Everything's good, but you have that more of the hint of the barley in it. Yep. Not bad. I like it. Comme j'ai dit, bon goût juteux, bon goût doublon, bon goût, il y a du blé, de l'orge dedans. French. L'avoine. T'as le goût de ça. C'est plus... Tout est là, mais c'est plus un petit peu plus de goût de barley que moi je goûte en arrière. Ben fuck, c'est bon. I approve of this collaboration. J'approuve cette collaboration-là de Big Spruce, Donald et Foghorn. J'approuve. I approve. I would say, like on previous episodes, since now we got a nice board. If we like the beer, it's a... If we hate the beer, it's... But this one is a... Wait. Sorry. This one is a... Oh, wait, applaud. This one is a... Ten out of 10. This or this. 6.5. It's fucking delicious. 2 beers tonight that are delicious. I made a good selection. Thank you to Foghorn for telling me it was 48, because when I saw that post, I started looking at NB Liquor. They had some in Bathurst, but it didn't show up. And then, probably same day or the day after, they posted, yeah, there's some in Bathurst showing up 48. Great. I'll go get some tomorrow. And they were still 48. So, that's why I got another can here. Another can in the fridge. 3 cans. And I made a right choice. So, thank you for watching. Yeah, this or this. Même le rot est bon. Excuse me. Even the burp. The burp is good. Le rot est bon. Vraiment bon. Tu peux pas avoir un meilleur rot que ça. Ouais. As I said, the burp is good. You can't ask for a better burp than that. Yeah. My voice. My deep voice. Actually, I can go deeper. I'll go deeper. I am deeper now. I give this beer a 10 out of 10 because it's delicious. Yeah. Go get some today. You won't regret it. It's good. Damn, it's good. So, thank you for watching. Merci d'avoir watché. Et à la prochaine épisode.
Gather round, folks, it's time to unwind with some brews that'll blow your mind. From cider sweet to spirits bold, in the heart of New Brunswick will unfold. Welcome to Beer Show and Beat, where every pint's a symphony. Traveling far, tasting near with friends and brews, there's nothing to fear. From cozy buds to the open road, we're on a quest to crack the code of every flavor, every blend, with laughter and stories we'll trans.